If you're thinking about changing up your bed frame so that you can get rid of your old box springs and not have to have a trampoline to get on top of your bed, this is the move. I just finished installing this. I'm about to put my mattress on here. We'll see that in just a second. But now I've got more under the bed storage with less height so that it can be just the perfect height. Built-in LED strip, built-in power strip over on the other side, built-in things to keep the mattress in place so the mattress doesn't keep sliding off. That is just a really nice feature. So the mattress won't be moving around, falling off the bed frame. Very well designed, no longer need the box spring, and great support, very well reinforced all the way around. So let's get the mattress on this bad boy. And there we go, just like that. I've got my bed on here. Now it is the perfect height to be able to get on the bed. Before, both my wife and I were struggling. My wife literally would use a step stool because the other one, bed frame with the box springs, made the mattress so tall. Now we don't have that problem anymore. We've got built-in power strip. We've got built-in LED light strip, which is awesome. And a beautiful design too. Before, I never cared about my bed frame. Now I'm happy to be able to see it on a daily basis. So highly recommend this bed frame. Really classed up our bedroom. Highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.